Amma maqaan kiyya masuulee bakhasaa jedhama. Ganni kiyyalleen 30 ijoolleen tiyyalleen 4 jecha. Yeroo jalqabaa ongeen bunaa yeroo dabarheessatti dhuftee horii gandaa guddaa fixa dandeette horii gar kumaatuun fixecha. Anayyuu mataa kiyyayyuu gar 18 irra fixecha horii. Yoo wanni na dhagaame wanni tokkollee natti hin dhagaamne duuman na dhagaame jechuudha. Ammoo namni horii dhabeedhaan taawaa jiru haa lubbuun kee jirtu in chochoa.
Masula lives in Borana, Ethiopia, one of the worst-hit regions of the 2010 Horn of Africa drought. Like many countries in the region, it left Ethiopia with a humanitarian crisis that devastated people and communities. With climate change, Masula can expect even more frequent and extreme weather patterns. Normally predictable rainy seasons may shift, and droughts, a constant worry in this part of the world, may become even more frequent and long-lasting. For poor communities already exposed and vulnerable, these slow-onset disasters risk wiping out hard-won development gains and trapping people in poverty. Around the world, disasters have cost the global community at least $2 trillion in the last 20 years, claiming the lives of over 1.3 million and affecting over 4 billion in the process. It is clear then that efforts to eradicate poverty and achieve development goals will remain elusive so long disasters go unaddressed. More and more countries around the world are waking up to the realization that climate change and disasters go hand in hand. Nowhere is this more evident than Ethiopia, where even minor variations in rainfall or temperature can seriously impact crops, decimating livelihoods and reducing national GDP. For the government and for partners like UNDP, addressing these challenges together is critical. To effectively reduce disaster risks, we need to strengthen capacities at all levels, from national institutions all the way down to household levels, in order to help build resilience and manage risk. With the support of partners, the government of Ethiopia has embarked on a process to strengthen community awareness and preparedness, strengthen early warning systems, and build institutional capacity to manage climate change and disaster risk reduction. Veso is a farmer from Ziwe, Ethiopia. He now has a new way to identify the climate risks that would threaten his harvest.
Duri yoo haga fille roobe sangaa maarshaalla falaalaa kaati gallu filaalaa deemna magaruu isaaf sangaa xamannu achirra lakkoofsa ilaallaa guyyaa 2-3 olirra hoo roobe haga 30 roobnaa facaasa abbaana nama sonti ilaallu hin jiru beekumsa hin baranne agarree isaan fayyadamaa irra jechuudha. Maarree akka dhuunfaa yaate akkauntii argee filaasilaan reengeejii kanarraa haga fudhee bu'aa guddaa irraa argadhe kan hundaa qilleensa garuu qilleensi roobaa yoo deebi'e.
The strengthening of climate information does not stop there. Since 2014, UNDP has supported the installation of 40 automated weather monitoring systems across the country. They send accurate and complex data every 15 minutes to the National Meteorology Agency headquarters in Addis Ababa, the capital, and then disseminate this across the country. Communities who live in remote areas gather to hear the weather report by their elected leaders. The gathered data and knowledge are also used to improve Ethiopia's evidence-based decision-making for early warning, disaster preparedness, and adaptation responses, as well as to ensure that regular development planning is risk-informed and sustainable.
Akka fiyyaa waan gammachiis qabaa ijoollee tiyyaa barannoota hadurii barachiifachuu hin dandeenye baradhee ofillee hin jiraadhe waliin jiraannecha dhiirsiyyaallee waliin jiraanne hojja durii hojjannullee tajaajila horii keenya irraa arganne jiraanne tikaafama horii keenya deebinecha nafaas argannecha.
Bosona asirraa manca'eetu kan hundaa dhiibbaa qilleensaa jiraman fide amma biqiltuu adda addaa bosona deebisuuf gara mul'attuu leenjii akka leenjinuun nus galaa hin barsiisarraa hin dhaabaarraa kanaan fide jechuudha.
Masula and Faisal now understand the impact that climate change and disasters has on their beautiful homeland, as well as on their own lives and livelihoods. But with improved capacity, better national systems, and stronger community preparedness, Ethiopia's development is risk-informed and sustainable. The dream of a future without poverty and inequality is beginning to look brighter.